My name's Emily Quinn. I am a speech-language pathologist at Shriners Hospital for Children in Portland, Oregon, as well as a research associate at Oregon Health and Science University. The tool that I'm going to discuss today is the Design to Learn IEP Development Guide. The benefit of having an IEP that anyone can look at and know what this child is supposed to learn every day is huge. It's crucial for children who have difficulties communicating to have strong communication goals in their educational plan. It's hard to write goals for children that aren't speaking, and so our thought is to provide a tool to help teachers and speech-language pathologists reflect on what they've done and maybe tweak pieces of it to make them more functional, more meaningful, and easier to address in a daily classroom environment. Essentially, this tool, the Design to Learn IEP Development Guide, is a series of 28 questions that an educator or speech-language pathologist can ask themselves as they've written a goal that they think is pretty good, and to be able to reflect on what they've written and identify pieces that might need some adjustment. We use a lot of statements like, can you picture? Because we really want parents and teachers and therapists to be able to picture exactly what's supposed to happen. Because if we can visualize it, generally speaking, that means it's well written and that it includes all the pieces that we might be wondering about. My thought is that a speech pathologist, special educator, or classroom teacher would write a goal for their student in preparation for their annual IEP meeting, and then take our guide and say, does this really make sense for this student to enhance what they've already written? By doing that, you might figure out what areas of the goal might need to be addressed. This would be really helpful in mentoring and supervising new clinicians that maybe haven't had coursework in working with children with severe and profound impairments. Going through a checklist like this can really affirm that you're writing very strong goals, and it may be a teaching tool to help a teacher see why this goal is really a strong goal. For someone that's more of a seasoned professional, just taking a look at your goals, because they may be legally adequate and legally appropriate, but they might not be meaningful for the child. I do see this tool as a way to center conversation in a respectful and productive way in IEP meetings that might be contentious. And I think this can be very empowering to families to have some questions that they can ask of their professional team.
I hope you'll find the Design to Learn IEP Development Guide helpful. You may download it for free at this link.